everyone, it's me Dana from Thrifty Wisdom, and today I'm gonna show you how I make my tasty guacamole. It's a very light and healthy recipe. It's a dinner for two. I'm usually doing this at dinner time, and the recipe is an adaptation of the original recipe. I'm not using all the ingredients in the original recipe. I adapted to my taste. It's not a big change, but I'm not very fan of cilantro, so I think that's what is missing. We're gonna start by cutting the avocado. Feel the avocado to be soft. When it's soft but not very soft, it's ripe. And you're gonna see you have sometimes some dark spots. You need to scoop those out because they don't really taste good. So just gently remove those dark spots. This recipe is very easy to make. It takes you probably 15 minutes and prepared. Take the other half and scoop it out the dark side. Just scoop it up, the yellowish greenish pulp, which is actually the good part of the avocado. We're gonna continue to cut the other avocado. This one looks very good. Actually, looks much better than the other one. It's like perfect. You have to feel, as I told you, the avocado is supposed to be soft but not very soft. I even use those, and probably in another video I'm gonna show you how I plant those seeds, those pits from the avocado. And I have a few little trees. They are growing in the pot. The problem is I live in zone 6, so we have a harsh winter. So I have to keep them in the house over the winter, and we don't have like a big house. And but I'm hoping at some point I can find a solution how to keep them until they will start actually making fruits. I understand after 5 years. It's amazing. So if you just plant those in the ground, you're gonna have a tree, a little avocado tree. It's absolutely amazing how easy it is. I'm gonna clean the jalapeno. I don't like it very spicy. I like it a little bit spicy, but not extremely spicy. So I'm cleaning the jalapeno from the seeds and from some of the vein. So it's gonna be a little spicy, but not over spiced. And now you start cutting the jalapeno in very very fine slices. And chop. Now we're gonna set this on the side, and we're gonna cut the onion. And I cleaned those tomatoes already. I'm gonna just cut this little part, and I'm gonna start chopping those also. Okay. Now it's time for us to smash the avocado. You can add your ingredients. And you start mixing all those together. You can see how beautiful is the color. I don't want to smash everything too much, so I'm gonna use this spoonful. Now I'm gonna cut, and I'm gonna do the juice of a lemon. Squeeze it here, because you never know if you have some seeds. I'm using a strainer. This is not a seed, it's a piece of onion. I'm gonna just add a little salt. And this was my recipe of guacamole. It's a very healthy meal, especially for evening. Because of the avocado, it has a lot of vitamins and nutrients. And this is it. Enjoy. If you like my video, please subscribe. Give me a like, share with your friends, but I also want your comments. Maybe you're thinking about some other subject you are interested. I might have those information, but I don't know you are interested. So it will help me to figure out what people are really interested. And please make me a comment. I will leave the ingredients also in the description and some direction how you would make this recipe. And because I mentioned how you can actually use the seeds of the avocado to grow a new plant, I'm gonna start right now with those little pits, and I'm gonna follow up with another video, and I will show you how you can grow your own avocado trees. Thank you. See you next time.